Broke your glasses? Adair Eyewear can repair your broken frames. How? Expert technicians using cutting-edge equipment, Adair Eyewear covers many of the most common issues. Uncomfortable frames can be adjusted if they're too tight or too loose. Restoration. A restoration and polishing service for frames in need of TLC is available. Custom options. The company can help with custom lens requirements and prescription eyewear. Something for everyone. It regularly updates its stock of fashion and designer sunglasses. Go to adaireyewear.com today.